Hello Sanity Seekers, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most adorable, professional looking miniature balls of yarn. There will be two styles in this video, both looking like you just bought them from a teeny tiny craft shop. You will need a pony bead, or at least a bead with a large hole, some wool and a threader. You can make yourself a threader by folding over some suitably sized wire or fishing line. Simply thread the bead with your wool and keep looping it through and over until it is full and the bead is completely covered. It'll be quite tight and it'll hold into place for you. Cut your ends and tuck in the tails so your ball looks like it's been professionally wound. Some decorative tape is great for creating a label. I'm using washi tape. I'm cutting it to the size that I would like and carefully wrapping it around my ball of yarn. It wasn't sticking as well as I'd like, so I'm securing it with a spot of glue. I believe the result is excruciatingly adorable. For reference, here are two balls the same, but with two different size labels. Now to extend onto this idea. I'm making larger balls of wool with the same technique but with short lengths of drinking straws instead of pony beads. The variety in the size and the shape will add realism to any miniature work. If you found value in my video, please hit the like button and leave a comment. It really helps out my little channel. I hope you have a go at making some of these for yourself. They were really fun, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.